Getting the most from social media marketing. You can use social media sites as a way to market your business, services, or products. However, there are things that need to be done a particular way in order to prevent failure. The article that follows will help you learn the best methods to use in social media marketing. When you begin a social media marketing campaign, leave room for trial and error. Depending on your target audience, some things that are effective for other businesses may not work for you. Watch for what is and is not working and make changes as necessary. This will show your customers that you are connected with their needs as well. When you are creating your ads that will be placed on a social media page, you must be sure that it will be flashy and attention-grabbing. If you do not do this, it is likely that your ad will be glimpsed over without a bit of acknowledgement. Make it flashy and people will notice it more often. Try using polls on your social media profiles to engage your customers and get them involved. People love to give their opinions and have their voice heard. A poll is a great way to get them to voice their opinions and give feedback on new products and ideas that are relevant to your company. Do not forget to comment on content too. Social networking is not only about posting your updates. You should probably not comment on anything that looks too personal, since you want to keep your relationship with your friends as professional as possible. If you see a post related to your industry, offer your input. When your customers want to contact you on your social media, always respond in a timely manner. Do not let messages sit for days unread. Your customers and followers are taking the time to write, so from a customer service perspective, it is good customer service to respond to messages and comments at least on a daily basis. Have links on your main website to your main social media profiles. Your Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Google+ pages should all be linked from your main website, so that customers know that they are the official websites for your company, and they can trust the content that is published on those social media sites. YouTube has a huge and active user base, and you need to be involved in it for successful social media marketing. Posting videos is a great way to get users involved, but you also have to be involved in the larger community as a whole. Posting comments and talking about other videos related to your industry will attract new users to your profile. You now have knowledge of the best proven methods of social media marketing. Use the tips that you were provided, and write a marketing plan that you can work from to make the social sites on the internet your new marketing domain. They really can help to grow your business quite rapidly. Check out our full training. Shortcut your way to profits and get faster results with this social marketing school. Click on this video's description link to get instant access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel.